iResponding's notification system. We can deliver notifications to you through a multitude of ways. Text message, email, of course the iResponding application, but also the iResponding website. If you're a user of iResponding and you have a home computer that you may leave up and running in a home office or in a location where you may be able to hear it, it's worth logging into the iResponding website and turning on those notifications. In case your phone happens to be left on silent in the other room, your computer speakers can alert you directly from our system. Right now we're looking at the iResponding customizable display home screen. I'll show you how an alert will come in on the computer system.
Type: motor vehicle accident. Location: 7300 East Genesee Street, Fayetteville, New York 13066. Notes: 3 vehicle accident, airbags deployed, possible injuries. Nurse on scene states that 2 ambulances are needed.
So what we just saw is that when an incident came in, the custom display screen automatically went into emergency mode. The incident is flashing in the upper left-hand corner. That's where I put my incident tile. And there's a timer on the top of the screen that's counting upwards from when the incident first arrived. I had my system set up to play a siren when the call came in, as well as read the dispatch to me. You do have the ability to have the dispatch read to you a second time through if you want to. You can see that on the emergency screen we have 2 different maps. This is totally configurable on your end and customizable on your end. My upper map is taking me to the incident location, and the lower map is showing me a street view. We have other videos that explain a lot of these details, but I do want to show you can zoom back and forth and get an idea of where you're responding to even before you leave the firehouse. So that is the computer alert system. Next we're going to take a look at the text message notification. Text messaging goes through your phone's cellular carrier and is delivered to you in the format and the process that's subject to your carrier. Some phones are going to work differently than others depending on who your carrier is. Text message just came in with the dispatch information. My phone happened to highlight the location in blue, which means that I can click on it and it will take me to that location. That's not a function of iResponding. That's a function of your phone simply being a smartphone and recognizing an address and creating it into a link. Once you get the text message notification, if you have the application on your smartphone, you can then go to the app to respond to the call. On this phone, we're going to see the iResponding application notification. This is an iPhone. Androids do function a little bit differently, but the concepts are the same. So you can hear my alert sound playing. When I touch that pop-up notification, it takes me directly into the incident. From here, there's buttons on the lower left. One of them is a map. The other one will take me to the incident detail list. And of course I can respond in the lower right. The responding video shows you the different ways that you can respond to the incident. What we just watched is one way that you can use the notification on an iPhone. So this time when the call comes in, I'm not going to touch the pop-up itself. I'm going to drag downwards from the top of my screen to look at all of my notifications. If I swipe the incident towards the right, I can just open that incident to get to the incident details. If I swipe the incident towards the left, there's a number of different options. I can clear it off of my screen. If I hit view, there's a number of different options that I can choose. Respond and no GPS. So basically it's just going to respond me. Respond and map. So it's automatically going to respond me and pull up a map of the incident. Respond in detail. It will automatically respond me and pull up the incident detail with one button push. And then see responders. See responders will not respond me to the incident. It's just going to show me who else is responding. I'm going to use the option that says respond and map. As you can see, it goes through the incident detail so you can have a quick moment to look at it. And then it automatically loads up the map for me of the incident location. Once I'm here, if I want to, I can switch to a street view, same as I could on the computer. And just using my iPhone, what I find particularly interesting is that I can just turn in my chair and as I point my phone at different corners of the room I'm sitting in, I don't even have to touch the screen to get a full street view. I can just move my phone back and forth, tip my phone down at the floor and up at the sky to look around and get an idea of the street view. One thing we did not cover here is getting an email notification. If you have a smartphone, getting an email notification is a great redundant method of getting alerted. The application is a wonderful product and it works very well, but you must realize that there are times that the application may not be able to alert you correctly for various different reasons. But if you are using a redundant method such as text messaging or email, you should still get that alert. Please play around with the different notification methods and use the combination that works best for you on your device and your area.